You play Arsenal every single day of your life for 24/7 for your life, and every single day, every hour, and you don't eat, and all you eat is chicken nuggets and from McDonald's, and you looked on Google on YouTube for all those tag things to actually get good at Arsenal. Well, but you want to get good and you're really bad. Well, you've come to the right place. So do you play like this guy? Oh, looking back Arsenal. Okay, I'll be. Oh, wait, why can I reach it? Why? Wait, okay, let's start again. Okay, why is I not punching? Why is he not punching? Why can't I punch them? Oh my gosh. What the heck? Well, let's try again. Here, I'm using. No, this person. Okay, let's try this one more time. Okay, bro, why can I punch this person? Why can I punch this person? No, why can I punch this person? What? Alright, let's time. This is my time. Alright, where are these people? Oh, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. No! This game to do. Well, not anymore. All you have to do is use your mouse pad and the up and down arrow keys, and then you'll be a winner. Right now I'm using my mouse pad and up or down keys, or what the ever. No! And see, now I can't even die. Look at this guy is not even killing me. I am so cool. I am so cool. Oh my gosh, I am so radical cool. He's too bad. I have like instant not die. I'm so good at this game. See, mouse pad and your up and down arrow keys are amazing. Make sure to use this today. 100% free. Works for Android and iOS. Not clickbait. Works forever. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.